If you've never tried cream style fish, you are missing out. Hey my ginger gems, welcome back to Vlogmas in the Kitchen, day 5. Today we are making a rich, creamy, flavorful cream style fish that comes together in minutes. Lightly season your fish and then add a little oil to your pan, and we're gonna sear the fish on each side. We're gonna sear our fish on high heat because we don't want it to cook all the way. We just want it to get golden, and then we are gonna set them aside in an oven safe dish. And of course, use whatever fish you have at home, whether it's fish fillet or salmon, whatever, it will work. I'm using a Caribbean hard-nosed fish. Our fish are golden and ready, so let's move on and make our sauce. To a saucepan, you're gonna add some butter, as well as Vlogmas Day 1 video recipe, green seasoning, some fish seasoning and some cayenne pepper, some freshly cracked black pepper and some salt, mix well, and why not add some all-purpose seasoning because we can. Add some heavy cream to your sauce. Let your creamy sauce simmer for about 5 minutes and then it's ready. As easy and as simple as that. Squeeze some lime juice on your fish to enhance the flavors. Add your ever so creamy sauce over your fish. And top it off with some sprinkled cheese. Whatever cheese you have, it will do. Bake your fish for 10 to 12 minutes and it will be ready. Here is my fish all done. The sauce had thickened while in the oven, so I added some water to thin out my sauce. Look at how creamy that is. The fish is tender, the sauce is rich. This is good holiday food. Alright ginger gems, that's day 5 of Vlogmas in the Kitchen. If you want more cozy holiday recipes, hit like, drop a comment and subscribe so you don't miss day 6 of Vlogmas in the Kitchen. See you next time!